fucking bullshit. We're at Riley Beach right now. It's fucking beautiful, man. I don't know if this is like YouTube content because this is, I'm fucked, bro.
Are you a YouTuber or what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's why I've been recording the whole time.
How many subscribers do you have?
36.
Oh.
I'm at the low game at the moment.
Getting there.
Well, soon to be 36k.
I hope
Soon.
so. I hope so.
Fucking explore. Oh shit! David, brother! You fucking made it! Now you gotta jump! You gotta jump! This is location number 3. It's like a secret beach type of thing, and it's absolutely beautiful. Check it out. I fucking love Thailand. Yep, son.
Yeah, where's the party going on here?